my name is Ben and welcome to the channel, and today I'm just doing a really quick video here to show you what my NVIDIA Q300 exhaust sounds like on my Subaru WRX STI. Now, after 2 years of being in COVID lockdowns, I've finally been able to tick this one off my to-do list. I had had a long-term plan of having a crack on a track with my WRX STI, so I'm really glad I've finally been able to do that. Now, this is actually done at the Subaru WRX Club of Victoria's Rexmas Christmas event, where they basically have a come and try day once a year where everyone comes down and gets on the track but doesn't take themselves too seriously, which is exactly what I was looking for the very first time I would put my car out on the track. Now, my car, just to clarify, is basically stock standard with the exception of a few cosmetic and wheels things. But from an engine perspective, the only modification it has at this point is the NVIDIA Q300 catback. So if you're at home wondering what your car sounds like, well, this should give you a pretty good representation. Alright, so first up I'm going to quickly show you a little bit about the event that I was participating in. Secondly, the NVIDIA Q300 exhaust videos, so there's a few minutes there of me just doing laps at Sandown Raceway. You get to listen to the exhaust on full throttle there, which is pretty cool. And finally, I'll show you how I've actually set up my car to record that kind of audio if you're interested in setting up something similar for yourself. Alright, so let's get into it and let's kick off with the event video. And here's a few minutes of me driving on the track, and make sure you don't judge my driving. just quickly show you how I've wired the microphone up on the back of my car for the track day. Alright, so this is my microphone set up effectively. I've got my lapel microphone, which is normally attached to someone's shirt or something like that, onto the number plate itself. I've got a little bit of tape on here to hold the wire down, and also behind the number plate just to stop the metal from scratching the paintwork. But from here, the wire runs through the number plate, and once I bolt this screw down just a little bit more, that will permanently be flush with the car, and this will not come off that way. Now from here I've got this is a dead cat or wind resist cover, and what I will do is just slide that over the top. A little awkward to do with one hand. There we go. So now I've just slid that over the top, and what that'll do is kind of help knock out some of that wind noise. And from here we have the wire running through the car. And into the car. Here is the same microphone cable. It is running all the way across to here. I've just wrapped all the excess around my headrest. And then in the car, basically, let me just see if I can turn that brightness up a bit. Basically, all the wire runs into my GoPro, and this is the GoPro microphone adapter. It's a bloody expensive little adapter for what it is, but anyway, it does actually a great job in the testing that I've done. And I've got the GoPro just kind of mounted here onto a bit of a awkward rig of adapters, but it actually has a pretty good angle for the recording. Well, I hope you found that video helpful, guys. Once again, jump onto my channel and check out the other videos that I have on the Q300 exhaust as well, because they have been recorded on better quality audio gear and shot in a different way, not at 200 kilometers an hour or anything crazy like that. But also, if you are local to Australia, particularly in Victoria, check out the WRX Club down here as well. They put on some great social and motorsport events as well. So if you are a WRX enthusiast in particular, jump on and maybe you'll actually find a really good community to hang out with there. Otherwise, thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you found it helpful, and we'll see you around for the next video. Have a good one. See ya.